Get inspired with this chrome semi-gel stamping nail art. So first, I am applying a thin layer of a non-stick matte chrome resist gel over a black nail here under gel line for 60 seconds to a non-stick touch. I'm going to use 3 colors to stamp this image and also to show color swatching of the color chrome semi-gel stamping polish, red, white, and blue, what it look like. So the label says chrome red semi-gel stamping polish opaque. This is chrome white semi-gel stamping polish opaque. This is blue chrome semi-gel stamping polish opaque. These are used as stamping polish and need to cure under gel line for 60 seconds. I'm using 3 different colors, the red, the white, and the blue. Apply the polish, scrape, pick up with the jelly stamper. Do not rush to stamp right away. Leave it on the jelly stamper a little longer so when we stamp, it's gonna be a clean transfer. After stamp over a non-stick black, cure under gel line for 60 seconds, it will result in a smooth surface, feel almost non-stick, but that is the right amount of light sticky where artists can rub chrome pigment to a shiny chrome effect. Artists can stop here and apply top coat to have the exposed solid color stamping image flower with red, white, and blue, or rub chrome pigment over it. Instead of rubbing one solid chrome pigment, I'm showing creative way the artist inspire with this look by playing with the stencil blocking technique. So I'm using a straight line stencil nail art, peel it off, place it in the middle. Wherever there is exposed image chrome, we can rub chrome pigment over it. Here I already rubbed the pink chrome pigment at dry coloring. Artists can rub any pigment color. Since this is opaque metallic chrome pigment, I'm using pink on one side, like this one, the pink on one side, the yellow on the other side. These are bright neon metallic chrome pigment. This is the final result, but for demo purpose, I already rubbed one side with the pink. Now I'm going to show that while the stencil blocking is still over the nail, we can go ahead and rub the other side or leave as is. But I'm going to rub the neon yellow. This quick, easy opening bottle and tap to dispense small amount of the chrome pigment. And with a soft makeup sponge, little goes a long way. Just slightly rub over top. This is so easy to adhere the chrome pigment over top of any exposed chrome semi-gel stamping image. And because of the yellow metallic opaque, it will cover up the underneath colors. So it's up to artists if using the clear transparent chrome pigment, add a nice layer of the chrome pigment and still allow the underneath color to show through, then use the clear chrome pigment, not the opaque metallic pigment. This is what I'm talking about with the formula of the chrome semi-gel with a smooth surface and the light sticky. It will allow artists to rub chrome pigment to a shiny chrome effect. And when all the loose chrome dust is removed, peel off the stencil blocking, we're gonna review underneath base image. And artists can rub another chrome pigment over it because it is exposed chrome image layer, or leave as is. But I'm gonna leave as is to show the base colors. And now this is just need to be topped off with gel top coat. And we have ourselves interesting chrome stamping image nail art with the base chrome semi-gel stamping polish, and rub any chrome pigment as dry coloring over top. Get inspired and be creative.